Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another PlaymoAF video. We are checking out today the street performer, but wait, not that one. This one right here. Thanks for checking out our video today, guys. Right now, we're going to be taking a look at the Playmobil Special Plus set number 70377, the Street Performer. Now, just looking at the box, this is a really cool looking thing. I really like the figure and how he's all decked out in gold. It's definitely eye-catching, and I'm surprised that I didn't see more and more of these particular sets flying off the shelves. But as you can see, our clicky here is levitating. He is holding on to a pole, and he is in a sitting position, but he is not sitting on anything right now. And that's pretty cool. I don't know how he does it. Well, I know how he does it in Playmobil form. I don't know how he does it in real life. But anyway, have you guys noticed that we do a lot of videos on clickies? This is a pretty clicky-centric channel. The bottom of the box has some of the choking hazard warnings. Top of the box has the country of manufacture. The left side has the Special Plus logo and the barcode. Right side is a continuation of the front image. And I just realized the country of distribution is on this side as well. The back has the rest of the choking hazard warnings and also all of our individual pieces photographed separately. But enough of that, let's get this thing open and check out what's inside. Alright everyone, here is our golden clicky. As you can see, he is presented all in gold, and that includes his top hat, which fits nicely right on top of his head, as it should. And then he also has a golden umbrella. As you can see, there are no golden flecks on the umbrella, but you might be able to tell that the umbrella is a little bit crooked. I think it got smashed up a little bit in the box, but that's okay. That's the nature of being a plastic toy. But anyway, very nice figure. There aren't a whole lot of balancing issues with the figure as he's holding the umbrella. He might bend down just a little bit, but with his arm extended and the ever so slight weight of the umbrella in his hand, it might cause him to move forward a little bit, as we see right here, right now. But overall, same points of articulation, 6 points altogether. You got the legs, you got the wrists, both hands, you got both arms, and you got the head. The set also comes with this pole, which is essential to the success of his magic act he performs for his audience as they walk through the town. The pole is attached to the base, which is basically a small pegboard. On top of the pegboard, we have a small cardboard rug. Of course, to us it's cardboard. To the clickies, it's probably a plush carpet. But anyway, fits right on top of the base. And as you can see, there's a little hole right here behind the rug. Well, it's through the rug, actually. And it perfectly lines up with the hole of the pegboard. And what happens is that you have a clamp that fits right into the hole. And then you put the pole through the peg. And then our clicky basically does his thing right there. He'll grab onto the pole and he just folds his legs in, and voila, he is balancing. Nothing behind him or underneath him. He's just holding onto the pole and he's levitating. One thing to note about the rug is that it is made of paper, cardstock, and it is slightly larger than the base. So therefore, you're going to eventually have problems with pieces of the paper bending, or fraying, or even tearing. The set also includes a golden bowl with which to collect donations from spectators, showing appreciation for the street performer's hard work and awe-inspiring stunts. Well guys, that's it for our quick review of our street performer. Pretty cool looking figure, makes a really great display piece. I actually can't wait to put him up on our shelf. And in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe and give us a like and a comment. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I guess we'll see you next week, and you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. The set also includes a golden bowl, okay. There's only 15 pieces in the set, but just the two set. There's only 15 pieces in this set, but just the two, well, three really, gold set.